In the first module it shows tracing, but project is nowhere like it. So in the first module, are you talking about the first level? Because I cannot actually specify over here what are you actually, there's no context over here. So tracing over here of the project. So are you actually talking about the line trace? That's the only thing that actually comes to my mind. So the line trace is, if you right click, so we have the line trace functions over here. So there's line trace by channel, line trace by profile, line trace for objects. So why is line trace used? It actually creates a ray from the start location to the end location. Alright, there is a ray of the line which will actually emit, and you can decide from where to emit and till where you want to emit it. So this is a line trace by channel, this function. So are you talking about this trace? Then I guess you can use these functions. If you are talking about a ray tracing or something, then for that you need to have a supported hardware of NVIDIA, which is RTX. So then you can get the ray tracing modules. All right.